Sage, scientifically known as Salvia officinalis, has long held a special place in herbal medicine and culinary traditions alike. A member of the mint family, this aromatic perennial is more than just a flavorful addition to dishes. It has a history steeped in healing, preservation, and cultural significance. The ancient Romans and Greeks revered sage as sacred, and during the Middle Ages, it was believed to protect against evil and illness. Fast forward to today, and modern science is uncovering just how powerful this plant can be for human health. Whether consumed as a tea, extract, essential oil, or fresh herb, sage offers a diverse range of benefits. Let's explore the top 10. Number 1. Improved cognitive function. Sage's influence on brain health is one of its most impressive features. Several studies suggest that compounds in sage, like rosmaric acid and various flavonoids, help enhance memory, alertness, and overall cognitive function. It appears to work by inhibiting the enzyme acetylcholinesterase, which breaks down acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter critical to memory and learning. By preserving acetylcholine levels in the brain, sage helps promote sharper focus and mental clarity. In both younger and older adults, supplementation with sage extract has been linked to improved attention span, better recall, and even potential therapeutic use for Alzheimer's disease. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation lies at the root of many health conditions, from arthritis to cardiovascular disease. Sage contains several bioactive compounds, such as carnosol and rosmaric acid, known for their powerful anti-inflammatory actions. These compounds help inhibit the production of inflammatory markers like cytokines, which can contribute to tissue damage and disease progression when left unchecked. People who suffer from inflammatory disorders may find relief by incorporating sage tea or extract into their routine, and topical applications of sage oil have shown promise in reducing localized inflammation on the skin. Number 3. Antioxidant power. Antioxidants are essential for protecting the body from oxidative stress, a process that damages cells and accelerates aging. Sage is rich in potent antioxidants such as luteolin, apigenin, and various phenolic acids. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that cause cellular damage and contribute to degenerative diseases. Sage's antioxidant profile supports overall health, bolsters immune function, and slows down signs of aging in both skin and internal organs. When used regularly, sage may help fortify the body's defenses against chronic illnesses such as cancer and neurodegenerative diseases. Number 4. Blood sugar regulation. Managing blood sugar is crucial for preventing and controlling type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Sage has shown promising effects in reducing blood glucose levels and improving insulin sensitivity. Animal and preliminary human studies suggest that sage extracts may help lower fasting glucose and enhance the efficiency of insulin usage in the body. It is believed that sage achieves this by interacting with pathways that regulate glucose metabolism in the liver and muscles. While it shouldn't replace prescribed medications, sage can act as a supportive natural aid in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Number 5. Cholesterol and heart health. Cardiovascular health is a common concern, especially as people age. Sage can positively influence cholesterol levels, particularly by lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, and raising HDL, good cholesterol. This balance is key to maintaining clear arteries and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in sage also help support the health of blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing oxidative damage to heart tissues. In studies involving sage tea and capsules, participants experienced measurable improvements in their lipid profiles over the course of just a few weeks. Number 6. Hormonal balance in women. For centuries, sage has been used by women to ease symptoms associated with hormonal fluctuations, particularly during menopause. One of its most well-known traditional uses is to reduce hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings caused by declining estrogen levels. Scientific evidence supports the use of sage extract to help manage menopausal symptoms by acting on estrogen receptors and helping to restore hormonal equilibrium. Its phytoestrogenic compounds mimic the effects of natural estrogen in the body, offering a gentle, plant-based alternative to hormone replacement therapy. Sage may also support menstrual health by easing cramps and regulating cycles. Number 7. Oral health support. The antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties of sage make it an excellent natural remedy for maintaining oral hygiene. Sage-based mouthwashes and toothpaste are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to reduce oral bacteria that cause bad breath, gum disease, and tooth decay. Sage can inhibit the growth of Streptococcus mutans, a key bacteria involved in plaque formation and dental cavities. Furthermore, its astringent qualities can soothe inflamed gums and help manage conditions like gingivitis or canker sores. Even gargling with cooled sage tea can have therapeutic effects on the mouth and throat. Number 8. Skin health and wound healing. Sage is not just beneficial when consumed, it also boasts remarkable effects when applied topically. Its antimicrobial and astringent properties make it an effective treatment for acne, eczema, and other skin irritations. Sage oil can help cleanse the skin, reduce excess oil production, and speed up the healing of minor wounds and abrasions. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties calm redness and swelling, promoting an even complexion and reducing the appearance of blemishes. Some studies suggest that compounds in sage stimulate collagen production and support skin regeneration, making it a natural choice for anti-aging skincare regimens. Number 9. Immune system enhancement. Keeping the immune system strong is essential for warding off infections and maintaining long-term health. Sage contains essential nutrients like vitamin K, iron, and calcium, as well as plant-based compounds that support immune defense mechanisms. Its antimicrobial properties help the body resist bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. Drinking sage tea at the onset of a cold or flu may help reduce the severity of symptoms and speed up recovery. The herb's antioxidant content also supports the immune system by protecting white blood cells from oxidative damage, allowing them to function optimally when facing pathogens. Number 10. Digestive health. A calm digestive system is vital for nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Sage has traditionally been used to soothe digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, indigestion, and cramping. It works by relaxing the smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, reducing spasms, and encouraging the proper movement of food and waste through the system. Additionally, sage can help stimulate the production of bile and digestive enzymes, supporting the breakdown of fats and proteins. Whether consumed as a warm tea or added to meals, sage can act as a natural digestive aid, especially after heavy or fatty foods. Sage is a multifaceted herb that offers far more than just culinary flavor. From brain health to digestive support, it stands out as one of nature's most potent medicinal plants. While it's generally safe when consumed in moderate amounts, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding new herbal remedies to your routine, especially for pregnant women, nursing mothers, or those on medication. Whether you sip it in tea, cook with its fresh leaves, or apply its oil to your skin, sage proves that sometimes the most powerful medicine can come from the simplest sources. Its rich history is only matched by its bright future in modern wellness. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.